The Canon EOS 2000D 3-lens kit is a renewed product that has been professionally inspected and tested to ensure it works and looks like new, providing excellent value. This kit comes with a variety of accessories, including a wide-angle lens, a telephoto lens, a 128GB memory card, a case, a filter kit, a flash, and a tripod. The camera itself features a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, a DIGIC 4+ image processor, and a 3-inch 920K LCD monitor. It is capable of full high-definition 1080p video recording at 30 frames per second and has a built-in Wi-Fi with NFC for easy sharing and transferring of photos. The Canon EOS 2000D has a 9-point autofocus system and AI Servo AF and offers extended ISO 12-800, allowing for shooting in a wide range of lighting conditions. It also features Scene Intelligent Auto Mode, Basic Plus, and Creative Auto modes, and an onboard feature guide, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced photographers.